So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to expand to a whiteboard here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So the first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Once that is done, I want you to just have a design in front of you. So what this actually could be useful for is if you may be working in like a group project, or you sort of want to trial and error things or have a vision of things in regards to your presentation. The easiest way to do it right here would be to go to the whiteboard setting here on Canva. So for instance, if I wanted to right here, what I'll actually do is I will go to the bottom here. There's a whole bunch of different options right here, timer, duration, etc. I want you to just add some stuff to your design. So let's just add, a hexagon right here. I'm going to add a circle, just like this. This is my beautiful design. Now, if you wanted to go to the whiteboard, the simplest way to do it here would to be to go to the bottom, press on these three little dots right here, just like this. Once you're here, you can actually go to the bottom and press on expand to whiteboard. So if you were to go ahead and press expand to whiteboard right here, you're now sort of on the whiteboard settings. So this is a whiteboard. This is just, all the space that you're looking for, big or small. You can also, move stuff around if you want, just like this. That's the way you can do it. You can add some different stuff if you want as well. So if you wanted to add maybe a square right here, you can do that. If you wanted to add these eyeball emojis right here, you can do that. So you can kind of play around with it, get it just on how you sort of want things to look. Now, once that is done, press on the same page again, press on the three little dots, press on collapse whiteboard. Now your design is actually what it was here in the whiteboard, sort of how you space things out. So you can play around with it, do what you have to do, but this is a pretty straightforward way on how to expand to the whiteboard here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.